guys, how you going? My name's Matty Burner and welcome to Burner Productions YouTube channel. Got a great episode today, but first, straight into the intro. So guys, recently after the last episode, I took 10 days in Bali. I was going to talk about a few things in relation to how I filmed during that time and trying to balance the work-rest ratio whilst on holidays, trying to maintain some kind of relaxation while you're out there, but also trying to capture those awesome key moments when you go to some amazing places, as you'll see through this video. So we'll just do a quick roundup of our trip, the 10 days in Bali, and I hope you enjoy this. It's been amazing and I really had a great time shooting it. We'll go into a bit of the detail of that and what I've got coming up next for the next video. So enjoy this for now. I'll speak to you in a sec. Yes, I do. I know what you're all thinking. We're on a porn set right now, but no. Here you are at 666. This is our pulsing neon lights here in our room. Mel's in the background on the bed, ready to go. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah. Well, that wraps up this episode, guys. We've got some big things coming up. What I'm going to talk about next is the gear setup that I used for Bali. It's at a constant evolving thing to try and wrap your head around, is really getting out there and getting the perfect setup, chasing the perfect kit setup. So we'll talk about what I used on that video, and hopefully it helps you in the future when you're traveling or when you're going on your next holiday. Maybe you may get some points off me or something that I've done that helps you. I hope it does. So guys, till the next video, hit the like button down the bottom, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.